Hey, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Secret to Top Luxury Agents and Luxury Specialist Designation. I'm the founder of it. I'm so excited. We just are formally launching luxury coaching, one-on-one coaching with myself. I've coached agents over the years, but we never formally put it out there saying, hey, we're accepting coaching clients. And now we're doing it. You can check out the URL, go to luxurylistingspecialist.com/consultation, set up a call with me to see if this is something you're interested in. Again, Reagan Mackey, a $90 million producer out of Atlanta, contracted me to coach her for 1 full year. And less than 2 years later, her average sale price for her entire team went up from the upper 300,000 to 800,000 through the principles that we taught her. Lucinda Gatson, Remax agent out of Texas. Lucinda took our course. We worked with Lucinda, and last year she had her best year ever, even though she only worked 6 months out of the year because she had a medical issue, and she had her best year ever, and she credits increasing her average sale price and what we taught her for that. Dugan Riley interned for me 2 years ago. His first year in the business, did over $5 million, had no bad practices, but had no best practices either. And again, one of our best students. And Tony Martinez out of Miami, he launched a luxury division with our course as a requirement, and he credits our course and the principles as his agents, increasing your average sale price and selling more high-end homes. So if you want to increase your average sale price, if you want to work smarter, not harder, and you're committed to it, check out luxurylistingspecialist.com/consultation. Fill out the information and we'll set up a call. First time announced, one-on-one coaching. We're so excited. If you're committed, reach out. Take care.